Hi traders, how should we be actually approaching position trading? I'm looking at the GBPUSD monthly time frame. At the moment, it's in a downtrend. Should we be taking it along with the trend, or should we be looking to capture a turning point to go up? And even if we do, then how do we trade manage it? This and more in this video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the Master the Markets team in our live trading session video today and joining us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is Stu Naupan here, founder of Master the Markets, Trades Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are, traders, on the GBPUSD monthly time frame. Before I start to analyze it, let's take a look at the model of position trading. How should we be approaching it? You see, firstly, traders, you should be looking at 3 time frames. So pick your 3 time frames first. In these examples, I will be looking at the monthly time frame, the weekly time frame, and then the daily time frame. Okay, so this is how we'll be looking at in terms of position trading. And position trading basically means it's more for long-term positions. Okay, you're talking about 2-3 months, sometimes even 5 months as well, will be holding the position.
If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
In terms of number 2, now how are we going to position ourselves in each of the time frames? Okay, so you see, number 2, you need to assign each time frame to a particular systematic step to finally then entry into the trade. So over here, what we'll be doing is the monthly we will be usually using for timing, for direction, sorry, for direction. So we'll look at direction of trade. We will position ourselves as either long or short. Long means to buy, short means to sell. All these terminologies we cover in our Trader Starter Pack. The weekly time frame, we will basically be looking to get our timing, and finally the confirmation and entry will be done on the daily time frame. Okay, confirmation and final entry. Okay, so eventually whichever 3 time frames that you choose, the highest time frame should be able to give you a direction, then finally the time frame below it for timing, and then finally the last time frame should be for entry and confirmation. Okay, now the third thing that you then need to do is you must know your trade management. Once you enter, then how are you going to trade manage your trade, and where are you then going to also exit your trade as well? So all these 3 things you must know. Okay, the 3 time frames that you're going to use to trade, what is each one of the time frames going to do, and then finally your trade management. Okay, so quite a bit to go through. That's how we look at in terms of position trading. In this video, what I'll do in part 1 of this video, I will just take a look at the 3 time frames and how we apply it to GBPUSD, and we look at more instruments as well. I'll apply this philosophy to over there, and then finally, then we will then the next few parts, then we'll look at trade management, and then finally how we also look to exit the trade as well. Okay, right. So now let's take a look at this. Now, taking a look at this is the monthly time frame. This is in a downtrend. Okay, so for maximum open equity, which is move left, I'll be looking at this because this is quite a long time that has been here in the top to bottom move. I'll be looking actually to capture a turning point in this trade over here.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
Also, because if you actually look over here, traders, in terms of GBPUSD, in terms of fundamentals as well, if you take a look over here, there's been a bit of a support line here, isn't it? The good thing about this support line that I'm drawing than opposed to other support lines out there is that the bottoms have been quantified. Okay, so I can systematically draw them again and again on a quantitative basis. So our first attempt got here, second attempt got here, and then third attempt is here. Okay, 1.14 level, or more or less you can say the 1.15 level is what is maintaining on GBP USD. Okay, so I'm looking at this to turn at the moment, this 1.15 level. Let me just check if it did take out this level here. 114.09 was the lowest point. Over here was 114.04. It did take it out by about 5 pips over here, but more or less is maintaining the support level. Now, so that's my direction. So I'm, in terms of the monthly, I'm looking to take it on a long to buy. Okay, and then I go on to the weekly to see if I get a setup bar over here. And the setup bar, what I'm really looking at over here is basically for a primary setup over here, which is what I've got over here. The only thing is though, is this is the first interruption in this move over here. Okay, first interruption. Usually we do not expect first interruptions to turn, but even if it does, in the rare case, then we can take it at a lower position size risk. Okay, we'll come to that in a minute. Finally, I'll then take a look at the daily. So let me just do a recap. So the monthly was, I looked at the short. Weekly, not really getting up the setup that I want. I'm not really getting it, to be honest, because there's no first interruption. In terms of daily, in terms of a confirmation over here, I am getting that, because you can see that that was the one that confirmed this bottom. But now the thing is, if that bottom holds on to become a monthly bottom, a weekly bottom, and then finally a monthly bottom is what we need to be looking at. So in fact, what we can actually be looking at here, even if I were to put a position over here, that should be taken at a lower position size risk. Okay, that's what I'll be looking at the close over here, and the stop loss going to be for the low of this swing low over here. Okay, after that, this is on entry if I do want to take a look at it. So on the second part of this video, we will then take a look at more on how we want to position size our trade based on this setup that is happening. And then finally, in the subsequent videos, we'll be looking at how to manage this trade as well. Okay, all right, traders, so that's all on this video. In the next few parts, I will look at how we are going to be trading it and planning it, and then we will look at other instruments as well. Traders, as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.